friend! Let's go play!
Playdates with Winnie the Pooh. Which of our friends will be there too? Hey, Pooh Bear, what are we gonna play?
Hiya, Kanga. I forgot to bring a game today, so I brought this jar of honey.
Well, I know a game that we can play, Winnie the Pooh. It's called Hide and Go Seek.
That's my favorite game, Kanga.
Oh, you've played it before?
Nope.
Then how's it your favorite?
Any game with you is my favorite.
Aw, snack on some honey while I tell you the rules. Let me tell you how to play hide and seek. It takes two players to play. You be the hider, I'll be the seeker. Here's how we play the game. I close my eyes and count to 5. You go find a good place to hide and then shh. Don't give away your spot, 'cause ready or not, when the countdown's through, we'll come looking for you. Hee, found ya. That's how you play hide and seek.
I want to be the hider. That sounds like fun.
And I'm the seeker. So I'll start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready or not, here I come.
Oh.
Found you.
So you did. Me and my hiccups. I'm just kind of sad you found me.
Aw, I know how you feel. The first time I was found, I was sad too. But then I got to be the seeker.
You did?
Yup. When we play hide and go seek, we take turns hiding and seeking.
I love taking turns. That must be why it's my favorite game. Okay, I'll start counting. 1, 2, 3. Oh, hello. It's so nice to see you. Oh, bother. I've got the hiccups. I must have been eating too fast. I always get hiccups, so Eeyore taught me some tricks that sometimes help make his hiccups go away. Would you help me try to get rid of my hiccups? Thank you. Trick number 1, breathing very slowly in and out like this. Breathe in and breathe out. Oh, maybe it will help if I think of something sweet. I think it might be better if you breathe along with me. Okay, get ready to do some slow breathing. Breathe in. Breathe out. Honey. One more breath in. And breathe out. Yummy honey. Oh, bother. What was the other trick Eeyore taught me? Think. Oh, I remember. Blowing bubbles. That was the other trick. Ready? Go! Yay! Now my hiccups are gone. That was fun. Makes you want to get them again. Just kidding. Thank you again for helping me out. I suppose it's time to say goodbye, but just until it's time to say hello again.